Picture Windows Orangeburg SC are a stunning addition to any home, offering expansive views and abundant natural light. These windows are perfect for homeowners in Orangeburg, South Carolina, looking to enhance their living spaces with a touch of elegance and sophistication. With Picture Windows, you can enjoy unobstructed views of the beautiful Orangeburg landscape while adding a modern aesthetic to your home. Window Installation Orangeburg is a crucial service for homeowners seeking to upgrade their homes with new windows. Professional window installation ensures that your windows are fitted correctly, providing optimal energy efficiency and security. In Orangeburg, South Carolina, expert window installers are available to help you choose the right windows for your home and ensure a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient Windows Orangeburg are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to reduce their energy bills and increase the comfort of their homes. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. In Orangeburg, South Carolina, energy-efficient windows are a popular choice for those looking to improve their home's energy performance and reduce their carbon footprint. Custom Windows Orangeburg offer homeowners the opportunity to create unique window designs tailored to their specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a specific style, size, or shape, custom windows can be designed to match your vision. In Orangeburg, South Carolina, custom windows are a popular choice for those looking to add a personal touch to their Picture Windows Orangeburg homes. Window Replacement Orangeburg is an essential service for homeowners with old or damaged windows. Replacing your windows can improve your home's energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. In Orangeburg, South Carolina, professional window replacement services are available to help you choose the right windows for your home and ensure a smooth replacement process. Vinyl Windows Orangeburg are a popular choice for homeowners seeking durable, low-maintenance windows. These windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them an excellent option for the Orangeburg, South Carolina climate. Vinyl windows are available in a variety of styles and colors, allowing you to find the perfect match for your home. Double-hung Windows Orangeburg are a classic window style that offers versatility and ease of use. These windows feature two operable sashes, allowing for improved ventilation and easy cleaning. In Orangeburg, South Carolina, double-hung windows are a popular choice for homeowners looking for a traditional window style with modern functionality. Casement Windows Orangeburg are a great option for homeowners seeking windows that provide excellent ventilation and unobstructed views. These windows are hinged on the side and open outward, allowing for maximum airflow. In Orangeburg, South Carolina, casement windows are a popular choice for those looking to enhance their Picture Windows Orangeburg home's ventilation and natural light. Bay Windows Orangeburg and Bow Windows Orangeburg add elegance and charm to any home. These windows create a sense of space and light, making rooms feel larger and more inviting. Our bay and bow windows are available in a range of styles and materials, ensuring a perfect fit for your home.